Right, we're going somewhere special today. And Edward says, don't put me on the video, so of course I am putting him on the video.
I'll cut it.
And we're in a very nice van, which is Edward's, but not Edward's. It's a long story. So we're taking the family to a special place, which I'm not going to announce yet. You'll have to wait and see. And then, and then we'll try and make you guess as we go along, because we have been, I think, about four times before, 5.
Many times.
Yeah, a lot of times we've been, and most of the family's coming. Can fit them all in. I don't know who's gonna look after the shop though. Where's Pa going?
He will buy a beer.
Alright. Why is there none in the shop?
I don't know. Probably. He's looking for...
It's obvious, right?
What's obvious, right?
Obvious. There's no in the shop.
Alright. Am I being silly again, baby? Sorry.
No, she said use your common sense.
Alright. I didn't hear her say that, Edward, but I heard you say it.
He will be...
Okay, we're a bit bumpy, so I'm not sure what the video is going to be like. Have you guessed where we're going yet? Do you remember the roads? Of course you don't. We're actually going to the... No, I'll tell you when we're there. So we're passing Decker Homes, and it's not the Decker Homes at Carrarian. Where's this place called? San Felipe. It's Decker Homes at San Felipe. I showed you a video just the other day.
This is the road going to V2.
Yeah, and we're going to pass the V2 bar in a minute on the right hand side. So I'll just show you that. It's just up here. It's a nice little walk if you were on the subdivision of Decker Homes, especially the new part. It's I reckon a 10-minute walk, something like that. Let's just have a look. Here we go. Ah, it's nippy, this thing. I think it's just here. Yeah, here it is, look. It's just here. There's no signs or nothing, you'd pass it without realising it. And this is a problem I've told him about, but he's not rectified it. Now if you go that way, that goes to Carrarian, where I used to live on the subdivision. So from Centro to the hot springs, it's about 25 minutes. Do you think, Edward? About 25-30 minutes. And we're nearly there now. The hot springs is just up this road, and that's where we're going. And we've not been here for well over a year. And it turned out nice and sunny, and now it's clouding over, so I hope it's not going to rain. Not that it matters, because it's still nice even if it's raining, because at the end of the day you're going in the hot springs, so you're getting wet. And there's little chalets you can hire. I think they're about 200 pesos unless the price has increased, but it's a lovely place to come for the day. See the mountain in the distance. We're right next to the mountain, and that's where the hot springs gets its water from. Comes down the mountain. It's all natural stuff. Here you go, Hot Springs Resort. Oh god, there's going to be a load here today. I hope there's a chalet available. Because if not, it's going to be a nightmare. It's very popular here, so you got to remember, if you're going to come, it's best to come during the week and not on a weekend. Right, this is where we've got to pay. Now, when we've come before, it's 200 pesos.
Ayan. Hey, pera kita. Chris, pera kita. Pera kita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Diba? 4, 11. 200 isa.
2,200.
11 po na adult. Tapos baby.
Ilang taon po? 7 months.
Dalawang 7 months. Hanggang ilang taon po yung may bayad?
Wag na po yun. Yung 2 years old. Hindi na.
2 years old pa baba.
No.
11.
11 lang po adult.
Apo.
Apelyido, sir?
Pascual.
Pascual. Address?
Kararayan.
2,200.
2,200.
Isa natin.
Ooh, 2,200. Cheap at half the price. Right, just as I thought, it's extremely busy. And even when it's less busy than this, it's hard to get a cottage. So we might be struggling. Oh, that's new. That wasn't there last time, was it, Edward? What? They've just built it, haven't they? They've just built that. This on the left. That's just been built because there were just a few lower cottages before. So there might be some left. Oh, I think they've still been built. All right, there's loads of tables and stuff up there. Yeah, you see on the bottom, the last time I came, there was just like cottages here, and they've built all this now. Is there no cottages further in, Edward? Is there nothing further in? I'll just have a look. You stay here, I'll just have a look. We'll just have a look. See how beautiful it is here. Look up there. Look at it all. You're surrounded. There's never any wind here or anything like that. It's beautiful. It's well worth a visit. Reluctantly, I don't like promoting it because I've been so many times and brought so many foreigners here, and they wouldn't even give me a discount to get in, even though I'm promoting the place for them. I tried twice and it fell on deaf ears. So we're just going to see if there's... This big thing here, it just used to be these cottages, so it's recently been built that, and I can understand why, because it's extremely popular here on the weekends, during the summer. It's not so busy, even during the summer it's not so busy during the week because obviously everybody's at work. But we'll see if there's a cottage available. Now this water, the hot springs is over there, we'll show you at some point, but this water comes from the mountain and it's ice cold. it's enough to stop your heart. No, we're a bit too late. There's one left. Hold on though. I think that says reserved. If my eyes are not failing. I don't want to be too far away from the hot spring. It's not good. Yeah, reserved. Let's try and find the guy. Sir, is this available?
Reserved.
Sige po.
Wala lang kaya kayo. Saan? Ayan, table na. 300 per table dyan. Table. How about there, Chris?
Yeah, let's go there.
Yeah. Just go, stay there.
Yeah. $300 a line. Yes, yes, Pa. So, when you come here, there's 4 pools and they're all different temperatures. So, this one's the hottest. That's the next hottest. Sorry, it's going down. Hot, not so hot, not so hot. Pretty cool in the bottom one. But look at it, it's beautiful. And then you've got here, look, that's the zip line. A lot of people will remember it from my first video. Now I've got an external mic on, so the audio should be quite good. Let's have a look. I think we'll go down here, so away from the shop. And that looks like the biggest here. Oh yeah, this is big enough. I don't know if they want to sit on the end or here.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping